Hey guys, welcome to another one of our super helpful videos on how to start a successful blog. In the next few minutes, we're going to talk through the 5 main ways bloggers can make money, and maybe more importantly, which ones we think are good for beginners based on our experience. A quick note, stay till the end, it'll be worth it. We have this awesome negotiated discount with our recommended blog host. We can't wait to tell you about it. Don't worry, this video will be quick. We promise we'll stick to the point. Here we are, 5 main ways that bloggers make money. And we'll talk through each of these in more detail. The first is affiliate marketing. The second is creating and selling your own products. The third is sponsored posts. Fourth is advertising. The fifth is lead generation for your related business. And now we'll go through each of those in some detail. Here we are on our first one, affiliate marketing. What is it? Essentially, it's encouraging your readers to purchase a product upon which you earn a commission. It's straightforward. There's no customer service. You send them to the partner who handles the transaction, customer service. A very, very simple, good business model. Challenges are you only get a percent, in some cases a flat fee of what's spent. Is it good for new bloggers? Yes. New bloggers with limited traffic can still make great money. We made $1,040 from affiliate marketing in the first month of our new blog. We highly recommend this. Next, let's talk about selling your own product. What is it? It's creating your own product, likely a digital download or an online course, though it could be just about anything, and selling it to your blog readers. Pros are you keep 100% of what they spend. Cons are it can be a lot of work to create. And just as importantly, assessing demand can be risky. Ultimately, you don't want to spend a lot of time building something that nobody wants. Is it good for new bloggers? Yes, it absolutely is. It's more work than affiliate marketing, but it can be insanely lucrative. Next, let's talk about sponsored posts. This is kind of like the classic way that influencers make money. What is it? A company pays you to write a post that promotes their product or service on your blog. Advantages are it can be lucrative. These can easily pay $500,000 or more per post. On the other hand, companies willing to do sponsored posts usually want a minimum amount of traffic and popularity that new bloggers just usually don't have. Is it good for new bloggers? Not really. As I mentioned, you really got to focus on having a minimum amount of traffic. That's just not going to be possible day one. Next, let's talk about advertising. We know what this is. You place ads in your blog and you're paid when those ads are viewed or clicked. Pros are it's relatively easy to execute, easy to put ads on a blog. Cons are, again, it requires a lot of traffic to make a good amount of money. There's a variety of different ad networks you can use, and the better, higher paying ones require a certain minimum traffic volume. Is it good for new bloggers? Not really. You just won't be able to throw AdSense up on a blog and make money right away. You will need to focus on building up a lot of traffic. We don't really recommend this for new bloggers. And the last is lead gen for your business. What is it? This is using a blog to find customers for an existing business. Maybe you do photography, maybe you are a freelance writer, perhaps you have a coaching business of some kind, perhaps you do consulting. Pros are it can be incredibly lucrative. A blog and content can be a great way to find customers for a business. Cons are it requires you to really already have a business where this makes sense. Is it good for new bloggers? Yes, but with this important caveat that it only really makes sense if you already have a business. It's probably not going to make sense to start a business just to bring customers to it with your blog. You're better off focusing on something like affiliate marketing. And finally, let's talk through our recommendations. Here are the 3 we think are great for new bloggers: affiliate marketing, creating and selling your own product, and lead gen if you already have a business. For us, affiliate marketing has been killer. With affiliate marketing, we made $1,040 in our first month of blogging, focusing on satisfying a need through affiliate marketing. The 2 we think are less ideal for new bloggers are advertising and sponsored posts. For both of these, it's the same thing that holds new bloggers back. You do need a certain minimum amount of traffic to make money on either of these, and new bloggers just don't have it. We highly recommend focusing on one of these first 3. Affiliate marketing in particular is our strongest recommendation for new bloggers. If you haven't already set up a blog, we highly recommend you consider Bluehost as your blog hosting partner. We've used them forever. We love them. Their support is amazing. They have a free, incredibly fast one-click WordPress install. We just can't recommend them enough. We've worked with them to negotiate an exclusive discount via our link below. It starts at $295 a month. It's really a killer deal, and we cannot recommend Bluehost enough. Again, we worked really hard to get this deal on Bluehost for our viewers. It's 63% off their normal pricing, $295 a month, and all you have to do is click the link below this video. It's definitely worth checking out to see if this huge discount is still available to you. We think they are the best WordPress blog hosting provider out there. Thanks, Dana, for your time, and good luck with your new blog.